You sit at the restaurant. You are hungry. You order your food. You wait. The waiter brings your dish. It looks good. But something is wrong. This is not what you ordered. You check again. Yes, this is the wrong order. Now you feel uncomfortable. Do you say something? What do you say? Today, we're going to practice this situation, step by step. Hello, and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. Ordering food is easy, but sometimes mistakes happen. You may receive the wrong dish, and in that moment, many learners feel shy. They don't want to complain, but it's okay to speak. You just need simple and polite sentences. Today, you'll hear a short story about a wrong order in a restaurant. First, just listen. Then we'll break the situation into practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say if your order is wrong. Let's begin. First, just listen. Last night, I went to a restaurant. I looked at the menu and ordered a chicken sandwich. After a few minutes, the waiter brought my food. I looked at the plate. It was a beef burger. I was confused. This is not what I ordered. I checked the menu again. Yes, I ordered a chicken sandwich. I called the waiter. "Excuse me," I said. "I think this is not my order." The waiter looked at the plate. "Oh, I'm sorry," he said. "I ordered a chicken sandwich," I explained. "Can you change it?" I asked. He nodded. "Of course," he said. "Can I get the correct order?" I asked. "Yes," he replied. He took the plate and left. A few minutes later, he came back with the right dish. This time, everything was correct. I smiled and started eating. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first. Then speak with me. "Excuse me, I think this is not my order." I think this is not my order. This is not what I ordered. This is not what I ordered. I ordered a chicken sandwich. I ordered a chicken sandwich. Can you change it? Can you change it? Can I get the correct order? Can I get the correct order? I didn't order this. I didn't order this. Now let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. Last night, I went to a restaurant and ordered a chicken sandwich. After a few minutes, the waiter brought my food, but it was a beef burger. I was confused and checked the menu again. Then I called the waiter and explained that it was not my order. I told him what I had ordered and asked if he could change it. He apologized and took the plate. A few minutes later, he came back with the correct dish. This time, everything was right. I felt comfortable and enjoyed my meal. Before we finish, Here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. Be polite but clear. For example, "Excuse me, this is not what I ordered." Number 2. Ask for a solution. For example, "Can you change it? Can I get the correct order?" Clear requests help fix the problem quickly. Next time your order is wrong, don't stay silent. Speak politely. Explain the problem. Ask for a solution. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. Your turn. What would you say if your food was wrong? Write one full sentence in English in the comments. For example, "This is not what I ordered." In the next episode, we'll practice how to order food confidently at a restaurant. Simple sentences, real-life situations, step by step. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.